So we're on a panoramic camera. We're not going to have long, but in this one, there's something moving around in it. And yeah, you can see it. There you go. Just for a minute, we'll look at it. It's starting to happen in a lot of different places now. It's like it has for the last couple of years, but the objects seem to be getting bigger. The objects inside are getting bigger. I mean, I've seen them big over the last few years. I mean, don't get me wrong, but these ones, yeah, they're just slightly bigger. Then again, maybe they're the same. I just think they might be getting bigger. Odd, that's all. It's a quick share. These things are always doing something. This is a completely different location than the last one. Maybe. Alright, I got stuck and had to come back. Oh, there's a big one on the bottom. Moving around in that one. A couple of them. It's kind of dark. I don't know if you can see it. Another minute and we'll leave.